People are building 3D models in Blender just by typing. They're filing taxes automatically. They're scraping Instagram for restaurant recommendations all with one powerful tool, and most people don't even know it exists. I'm not technical at all. I avoided this for months, convinced it wasn't for me. Then I figured out the truth. You don't need to write a single line of code. I use a version of this system to make the videos for this channel. A lot of you have been asking how today. I'm showing you the foundation. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 things. 1. A personal AI assistant that remembers everything about your projects. 2. Your very first AI agent built and deployed. 3. A full content army working on autopilot, all with just 3 simple commands. The tool, it's called Claude Code, and I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to build the whole thing live, right now. Let me prove it. Part 2. The difference, Tony Stark versus Iron Man now. Most of you might be thinking, oh, the standard Claude in the browser works just fine for me. Why should I even switch to Claude Code? Let me break it down simply. Claude in the browser. That's Tony Stark without the suit. A genius. Yes, it can solve most problems. But it has limits. It gets tired. It can only be in one place at a time. It forgets things between conversations. Claude Code is the full Iron Man suit, with Jarvis built right in, unlimited capabilities, a genius AI assistant that remembers everything, has access to all your files, never loses context, and everything is saved securely on your own computer. Jarvis doesn't forget. Jarvis knows your preferences. Jarvis can run your entire workshop while you focus on the big picture. Tony without the suit versus Iron Man with Jarvis. That's the difference. And today, you're getting your suit. Part 4, the mind-blowing fact now. Here's something that absolutely blew my mind. Listen to this. Insert audio clip of Anthropic employee. This is the product that my team has built here. We sprinted at this for the last week and a half. That's an Anthropic employee, the company that makes Claude. They built an entire product, Claude Cowork, in just 10 days. And they built it using Claude Code. Let that sink in. The tool you're about to learn built another tool, while the developers simply guided it. This isn't some side project. This is the most powerful AI tool most people have never heard of, and you're about to master it. Part 5, core concepts, skills, and agents. There are a lot more commands available. Clear, compact, context, resume, and others. I've put together a complete command cheat sheet. I'm sharing it in my WhatsApp community. Link is in the description. Make sure to join. But for building what we're building today, you only need 3 commands. I'll teach you each one as we go. Now, before we build anything, there are 2 concepts you need to understand. Skills and agents. Back to Iron Man. You know how Tony's suit has different protocols. Stealth mode for infiltration. Hulkbuster for heavy combat. The house party protocol when you need an army. And Claude Code. Those protocols are called skills. Playbooks that tell Claude how to do specific tasks. Need a presentation? There's a protocol. Spreadsheet protocol. PDF protocol. And the best part, Anthropic already built a ton of these for you. There's an entire GitHub repository with pre-built skills ready to go. Now, agents. Remember the house party protocol where Tony activates an entire Iron Legion. In Claude Code, agents are your Iron Legion. Multiple AI assistants, each specialized for their mission. Skills are the protocols. Agents are the suits that run them. Remember that. Now that you understand this, let's get into part 2 and actually build our AI content army. Part 6, building the research agent and memory. Alright. So, let's start with something simple. Research. Instead of opening 10 tabs and copy-pasting everything, Claude Code can do all of that for you. So, I'm just asking it to research ClaudeCowork's, something they just launched, and save everything in a markdown file. That's it. No complicated prompts. Just tell it what you want and where to save it. Now, it's asking permission to search the web. This is Ask Mode doing its thing. It checks with you before taking any action. I'll hit allow. Something went wrong and the content wasn't generated. Thanks for watching Financial Front Channel. Please like, share, and subscribe Financial Front Channel.